Hello, good morning students. I am Dr. Sunita Tandon from RR College Alwar. Last in the last lecture which we have studied yesterday, I have told about acid rain and we are studying the theories of acid rains. Now we will study today the formation of sulfuric acid in atmosphere. In the last lecture we have studied the formation of nitric acid in the atmosphere. Formation of sulfuric acid in atmosphere takes place by oxidation of sulfur dioxide in troposphere. SO2 is oxidized to SO3 by air, which reacts with moisture to give H2SO4. Sulfates or H2SO4 occurs as aerosols. So sulfur dioxide reacts in presence of oxygen atom or nitric oxide to form SO3. SO3 in presence of water molecule converted into sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid in presence of ammonia. Sulfuric acid in presence of ammonia is converted into aerosol ammonium sulfate NH4 to SO4 and NH4HSO4. Oxidation steps appears to proceed in the following ways. फर्स्ट है फोटोकेमिकल ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. SO2 absorbs intense radiations in the range 240 to 330 nanometers and is raised to two singlet excited states. Two singlet excited states means it has no unpaired electrons, so that the spin angular momentum is plus half minus half is equal to 0, and the multiplicity of the system is 2s plus 1, and it is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1, and it is a singlet state. So SO2 in X state and 1A1 state absorb one quantum of radiations of 240 to 330 nanometers and convert it into sulfur dioxide in the singlet state. Weak absorption involves a spin forbidden transition to triplet state. Triplet state means two unpaired electrons whose spin angular momentum is plus 1 or minus 1, and when we calculate the multiplicity it is 2s plus 1 and it comes out to be 3. So SO2 can dissociate only below 220 nanometers. So SO2 absorbs radiations below 220 nanometer and is converted into SO3 and oxygen. SO3 means it is triplet state, and oxygen 3p means it's a triplet state. This reaction cannot occur in atmosphere where only wavelength of 290 nanometer and above are present. This suggests that SO2 is a photochemically inactive. Therefore, light in either band is not available for absorption, and photodissociation to SO2 and O is not possible. The excited singlet state may also get converted to triplet state either by intersystem crossing या ISC. You have studied all about this in the photochemistry. SO2 by intersystem crossing is converted into SO2, but SO2 which is in form of reactant in the singlet state, and SO2 which is formed as a product is a triplet state. By intersystem crossing, the SO2 transfers from one singlet state to triplet state, and triplet state is more stable than singlet state, or by collisional induction with SO2 SO2 in singlet state plus SO2 in singlet state gives SO2 in triplet state and SO2 in triplet state. Triplet SO2 has longer lifetime, 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. Presumably, it is this state which is responsible SO2 photochemistry and homogeneous oxidation. Triplet SO2 may react by several routes to give SO3. SO3 in triplet state combines with SO2 in singlet state to form SO3 plus SO. SO combines with SO2 to form SO3 plus S. The photooxidation of sulfur dioxide is much faster in presence of hydrocarbons and NOx. Triplet SO2 is another potential oxidant of NO. So SO2 in triplet state combines with nitric oxide to form SO and NO2. NO2 combined with SO2 to form SO3 and NO. Then SO2 in triplet state, SO2 in singlet state forms SO3 and SO. Second method of formation of sulfuric acid is oxidation of sulfur dioxide by radicals. These are a number of reactions for the oxidation of ground state SO2 and ozone with liable species such as OH free radical, H2O, CH3O2, NO3 radicals, and oxygen in triplet state. SO2 combines with ozone to form SO3 and oxygen. SO2. Hello students, the second way of formation of sulfuric acid is by oxidation of sulfur dioxide by radicals. These are number of reactions for the oxidation of ground state SO2 with ozone to or with liable species such as OH free radical, water, CH3O2, NO3 radicals, and oxygen. SO2 plus ozone form SO3 plus oxygen. SO2 plus HOO free radical form SO3 plus OH free radical. SO2 plus RO free radical form SO3 plus RO free radical, and SO2 plus OH free radical with presence of third body M forms HOSO2 free radical. In troposphere, the lower stratosphere, and the predominant fate of HOSO2 is this reaction with oxygen. The HOSO2O2 formed is again combined with oxygen to form HOSO2O2 free radical. HOSO2O2 free radical combines with water to form HOSO2O2 free radical bracket में H2O hydrated radical adduct is formed. Further addition of sulfuric water molecules occur until hydrated cluster HOSO2OH H2OX are formed. These clusters may react with nitric oxide, sulfur dioxide H2O radicals by quasi-heterogeneous process. The product could then lead to aerosol species including sulfuric acid by both condensation and coagulation. The adduct HOSO2O2 also reacts with nitric oxide. HOSO2O2 plus NO gives you HOSO2O and NO2. However, if the concentration of NO are very low, radical reaction may take place. Radical reaction may take place, and hydration of HOSO2O2 may proceed. Formation of H2SO4 from HOSO2O2 radical can be envisaged via a number of reactions including hydrogen abstraction from hydrocarbons or with nitric oxide and NO2 followed by hydrolysis. So HOSO2O combines with CH bond or CH compound, it result in HOSO2OH. Hydrogen from the hydrocarbon is added and carbon free radical is formed. Then HOSO2O in presence of nitric acid forms the addition product HOSO2ONO, which in presence of water molecule form HOSO2OH and HONO. HOSO2O2O plus NO2 gives you HOSO2ONO2, and water in presence of water form HOSO2OH and nitric acid. An alternative pathway is HOSO2 plus oxygen in presence of third body gives water and sulfur trioxide. HNO2 reacts with NO to form OH and NO2. SO3 plus NO2 plus water gives you H2SO4. Megher and co-workers concluded based on the smoke chamber studies of irradiated sulfur dioxide, propane, butane, NOx, H2O mixture that OH-SO2 radical leads to 98.5% the HO2 formation. They suggested that one of the intermediate in OH-SO2 oxidation must be ozone. The overall reaction may be written as HO plus SO2 plus OH, H2SO water is equal to H2SO4 plus H2O. And the third method of formation is oxidation of sulfur dioxide by ozone olefin reaction. The oxidation of SO2 gas in polluted air is the stabilized biradical RCHOO formed in ozone olefinic reaction. CH3CH double bond CH2 combines with ozone to form CH3CH, and a double bond ozone molecule is added and is formed this ring compound. Then by method A, it is converted into CH3CHOO and HCHO, and the method B, it is converted into CH3CHO and H2COO. Since in gas phase ozone itself reacts very slowly with SO2, the oxidant must be attributed to intermediate product in ozone olefin reaction. CH3CHOO plus SO2 give you CH3CHO and SO3. Water reacts with ozone olefin intermediate and inhibits oxidation of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. There are one or two methods are also there which result in formation of sulfuric acid, and that we'll study in the next lecture. Thank you.